Syria. Today I'm going to ask you a question, and you have to comment below if you know the answer of it. Have you ever wondered how this process of nature and food chain goes? So if you don't know, today we are going to tell you how it goes. So in the way we will get all of the things that are related to the environment and food chain. So the environment is needed some things. In the environment we include plants, the weather, the climate, and the places we have, and that these 3 or 5 things make a world called environment. So first let's talk about the weather. There are 3 types of weather for me: the cold weather, the hot weather, and the medium weather. So here we have a plant, and this plant needs do you know what's the first thing that can make their own food? It's called plants. Plants can make their own food from their soil and from the air and from the water. So here we can see these are plants growing on this, and soon they are going to have some flowers on them. And this is the first thing of the environment. And now let's talk about the weather. The weather you can see over there is pretty good today. It has a little bit sunshine and it's a little bit cloudy and it's pretty clear. You can see how the weather is so beautifully clear. And so the most important thing for plants is actually not the water that we give them. The cloud water is actually better for them. It gives them more energy than our normal water. So plants if we don't have any clouds, any water, plants would be extinct from our world. And so in hot weathers, usually whether they fly to a place where it's cold. That happens every time when there is cold or hot. Imagine there is a bird here, and island is pretty cold. Everybody knows about that. So he will fly to a hot country like Qatar. So it's better. Basically depends on its habit. So usually the birds go to a different country. When it's usually in Ireland, it's usually above -2 degrees. They go to another country like Qatar and Pakistan and India. Usually these places are the most hottest in the world, or even South Africa. So now we have completed 2 things. Now we are going to get to the food chain. The food chain is I'm going to give you an example. Imagine a heron that lives in the swamp. A heron eats a frog first, then the frog eats a grasshopper, then the grasshopper eats grass, and then the grass takes the energy from the sun. You can have the example here. There is some grass and here is the sun. It's taking energy from it and the energy from the water. And sometimes there are in a food chain there are 3 types of animals: and herbivorous, and carnivorous, and an omnivorous. Herbivorous eat usually plants. There is a dinosaur, I can't remember the name, but he has a long neck. He used fur, but they only eat plants. And giraffes eat plants, birds eat plants, lots of other animals. And carnivores they can only eat meat, like lions, tigers, wolves, leopards. Mostly in the world, animals only eat meat. And in the omnivorous, they eat both, like us humans. In omnivorous, you can get meat and plants. Like, I'm not saying about like I can just eat grass over here. I'm telling about the fruits, the vegetables, the carrots, like these. So guys, this was for today's video, and I like you enjoy this video. And now you know all about the environment, how the food chain works, and how the weather and environment works. So guys, this was for today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. And this was for today's video. So bye bye. We are going to meet you in the next video. Bye.